Hey lovely people, it's another cooking day. Today I want to make pancake, but I promise this is not your ordinary pancake at all. It's not your ordinary pancake. So I'm going to tell you all the raw ingredients I'm going to use. Then I'll put you through the processes, okay? Let's go. Right there is the wheat flour that everybody knows. Then this is the gluten-free flour, okay? You know, it's not everybody that eats this normal wheat flour, so this is, you can do this with your gluten-free, but today I want to mix the two of them. I want to indulge, even though it's still going to be healthy, okay? The normal flour has a way of making it softer for me, so that I'm going to combine the two of them today. So like I said, that's the wheat flour, the normal flour you know in the market. This is the gluten-free flour, okay? And that's the water I'm going to use. You put water in the texture to get the texture that you like. I like my own soft. If you like it hard, you don't put so much water, okay? Then this is the vegetable oil. I have my salt. I'm just going to use maybe a little salt, just salt to taste. Then this is sugar to taste too. And I have the 2 sachets of Dano milk. This is onion, the yellow pepper for flavor, 3 eggs. I have peanut, but I told you it's not your ordinary pancake, okay? It's not your ordinary pancake. We are eating healthy and a little indulgence, okay? A little indulgence. Is it indulgement or indulgence? English, no go keep us. Okay, then this is avocado seed powder, and I have the spinach powder. Then this is almond flour. Okay, that's all the ingredients I'm going to use. So everything has almost been processed already. They are all in the flour form, so I'm not going to blend anything except this onion and pepper. Okay, so let's go. Let's blend the onion and the pepper, then we'll mix. Blending time. I'm going to put it on puree. That's the onion and the pepper. Just 1 pepper and 1 onion bulb, okay? Let's go. Okay, all right, look at it, lovely. Okay, time to mix. Mixing time. So the first thing I'm going to add there is the normal flour, our wheat flour. Okay, I'm just going to add the dry ingredients first. That's the wheat flour. This is the gluten-free flour. So white. Gluten-free. I don't know the things they use to make them, but I know it's healthy, very healthy things. Maybe it's rice, maize, I don't know. Okay. Then which other dry? And I have my 2 sachets of milk. Add the 2 sachets of milk. Cut it with scissors. One sachet in. Second sachet coming. Second sachet in. I said I'm going to add the dry ingredients first. Okay? That's the first one. And I'll add just, see the salt, a quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of salt added, and 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 and 2, until I taste it. If I need more, I'll still add more. Okay, so these are the dry ingredients I'm adding first. Adding the avocado seed powder. I told these 2 spoons, 1 teaspoon, sorry. It's 1 teaspoon of avocado seed powder. Then the spinach powder, 1 teaspoon too. Added. Then my almond seed, 2 teaspoons. Baking powder. Baking powder is quarter teaspoon. See, dry ingredients added. So I'm going to mix them together now. My spoon. Mix the dry ingredients together. Trying to set the camera. Sorry, please. You guys can see it, right? I hope I'm getting the camera. Trying to set it. Okay, so the dry ingredients are in there now. I'll try and mix all of them together. Use a spoon. Okay, mixing, 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 mixing time. The pancake is not going to be so white. You're already seeing it because of the spinach powder and the avocado seed powder. Avocado seed has plenty of vitamins, minerals, it's good for your heart. If you're having high blood pressure, avocado seed is very good for it. It brings it down. Okay, so that is it. Dry ingredients mixed. So I'm going to just put the peanut butter. It's going to melt when I add water. And the next thing is this thing is not in the middle. Okay, it's in the middle now. The next thing is to add the eggs. 1 egg added. Second egg added. Third egg added. And I'll pour in the onion and pepper mix. Yellow pepper, the flavor, very nice. I'm going to put water in inside the blender and rinse it with it. Rinse it into the flour mix. I said mix. Okay. You've seen? And I'll turn them together. I told you I like it soft, so all this plenty water is because I want it to be soft. But if you want your own hard, don't add plenty water. You can actually use a mixer. Mixing done, So it's now time to fry. Okay, let's fry. I'll just add a little oil in the frying pan. You don't use too much oil to fry pancake, okay, so that it won't be oily. Just rub oil on the frying pan. I'll show you guys. I'll show you the frying pan before I add the pancakes, okay? Okay, so that's the frying pan on fire, no oil at all. And then I'll show you as I add oil now. It's going to be just a little oil. I'm going to add just a little oil and spread it. You see how little it is? And spread it using one hand. Let the oil touch everywhere. And let it heat up. Then I'll add the So I've added the pancakes and they are frying, okay? So when the other side is golden brown now, bring it down. I told you this is not your ordinary pancake. This is not your ordinary pancake at all. Alright guys, our pancake is ready and I told you this is not your ordinary pancake, okay? It's so tasty, so delicious, very rich, okay? You can try this at home, and if you like this video, please click on the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, okay? Click on the notification bell too so that you will know when I post a new video, okay? Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.